So, what really the psychic inspiration or intuition is in life? Of course, we should not turn it into a 24/7 का ये श्योर बिंदु का लेटर है कि भाई मैं ये खाऊं या वो खाऊं. हालांकि the psychic can guide even in that, and mother has spoken about it. Uh, she has said a story that a man wanted that I want every moment to know what God wants. And then he said whether I should take this uh, to drink or not. I mean, he's not referring to the hard drink, but cup of tea or not. So mother says that one time I laughed and told him, it's your reader attitude. अब खाना जो मिला है उसको खाओ, भगवान को ऑफर कर दो. हाँ नहीं, he had asked how many cubes of sugar to be put in my drink, milk or what. उसमें एक डालूं या दो डालूं, भगवान बताए. सॉक्रेटिस करते थे काफी हद तक ऐसे. That's why he chose, because he could have escaped from the prison. This is just a little aside, just to. Crito says, "Sir, I have arranged everything. सबको मैंने दे दिया है पैसा, आप चलो." So he pauses for a moment, feels inside. He says, "No, I will not go. I'll take the hemlock." Imagine Socrates running away and Socrates after taking the hemlock. History would have been different. So anyway, so Sri Aurobindo के ही कहते हैं कि previous life थी. So it, so one of his previous life. It's told generally. Da Vinci and other. So thing is that instead of going into these things, what is more important? First thing to keep is that there are certain things where we will see that it's a prompting of the desire. And prompting of the desire, its characteristic is somewhere some restlessness, some want, some craving, something is coming up. It may be about food, it may be about a person we want to meet, it may be about money, it may be anything. उसको शांत करना जरूरी है. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि वो जो मोह है ना, वो एक धागे से खींचना शुरू करता है. गाना भी था ना, मोह मोह के धागे, धागा ही होता है मोह का. वो आपने धागा पकड़ लिया, थोड़ी देर में वो आपका हाथ पकड़ेगा. So be conscious at that point that what is really drawing me to whatever I am going to do. Is it my desired self? Is it my ego self? Or is it something deeper? Now that deeper का result नहीं पता होता है. Psychic being is not a fortune teller. वो त्रिगुणातीत अवस्था में supermind knows and higher intuition. So if we are waiting कि what will be better, I want an indication, नहीं है. मीरा बाई अगर पूछती मेरे को जाना बेटर है कि खराब है, तो प्रॉब्लम होती. बहुत खराब था. सोक्रेटिस से बुरा उनका फेट नहीं हुआ, और भी ज्यादा हुआ. उनको भी पॉइजन दिया गया, विष दिया गया. बट मीरा वुड नॉट हैव बीन मीरा हैड शी डिनाइड दैट वॉइस. सो ये वॉइस हमको बाहरी सक्सेस, बाहरी ये कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि वो मिलेगी. वी शुड बी वेरी क्लियर दैट psychic's purpose is to take us to the divine goal through the shortest route. That shortest route sometimes may be what to outer appearances may not necessarily be pleasant. So उसको इसीलिए नचिकेता के उसमें ये सब जो चॉइसेस की बात कर रहे हैं, अल्टीमेटली श्रेयस या प्रेयस. So one should see, my simple criteria would be, माइंड का एक पार्ट थोड़ा सा डिसर्निंग इंटेलेक्ट, उसको नहीं हटाना चाहिए, बाकी सब आ जाए. What will take me closer to my aim? So if my aim is union with the divine or serving the divine, what will take me closer? Supposing I discover कि this will take me closer but I don't have the courage to do it, admit and offer it at the feet of the divine. I know that that is better, but I am unable to do it. So Lord, you know everything, you know my heart. जितना हम स्पष्ट होंगे अंदर उतना अच्छा होगा. And then to offer and surrender at her feet, divine will take us. He is not going to judge us. Sometimes we take it like that. So that's the maximum one can go. Always the psychic prompting brings an inner peace and joy. Always. If there is any restlessness before that, it will become very quiet. Always. So वो एक बड़ी over years you come to know it so surely कि आप कुछ बोलने वाले हो, कहीं जा रहे हो, आपको इंडिकेशन मिल जाएगा कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. Simply because there is a little bit of that something which is not quite right, something which is a little restless somewhere. So bring peace always, equanimity, and then go by a prompting which doesn't create a kind of restlessness in the system, but brings quietude. It'll bring quietude always when you make a psychic choice. This need not be, may or may not be successful choice. This one must remember. It's the choice which takes us closer to the divine through the shortest route. That one must always remember. It can come immediately depending on the readiness of preparation. It can come immediately. Waiting is if there is turbulence inside, then you have to wait for the quietude. If you are living in a kind of inner peace, it will come immediately. It is waiting. Prompt us. वो कह रहा है मेरी कोई सुनता ही नहीं है. भगवान का यही हाल है ना. वो स्टोरी है ना फेमस कि कृष्णा इज स्टैंडिंग इन दैट टेम्पल. वो बड़ा फेमस है. कौन सा टेम्पल है? Not Tirupati, but one of the southern temples. So one of his earthly bhaktins, who was goddess Lakshmi's Ansh avatar, she is waiting by the side and looking at Krishna. Krishna बीच-बीच में वो कह रहे हैं कि अरे I want to look at her. ये devotees मुझे छोड़ ही नहीं रहे हैं. It's a very sweet story. He is waiting कि ये कब दरवाजा बंद होगा. And I will have a time to be with her. It's a very sweet story of Krishna. But basically it is that, you know, everybody is coming. They are not even waiting कि भाई आप क्या कह रहे हो. तो इसलिए पहले अपने मन को शांत करना पड़ता है कि आप क्या कह रहे हो. सब लोग तो भगवान से हम लोगों का संबंध तो यही है ना, अपनी बोल के चले जाते हैं. नारद जी ने भी यही किया था. सबसे बड़ा भक्त कौन है? उन्होंने लिस्ट निकाली, एक भक्तों की मंगाई लिस्ट, तो लिस्ट आ गई. कहते हाँ नारद तुम ही हो. नारद चले गए सबको बताने. हनुमान जी को भी बोला मैं हूँ सबसे बड़ा भक्त. हनुमान जी ने कहा नो इश्यूज, कूल कूल ब्रो, आई एम फाइन विद बीइंग ए सर्वेंट ऑफ द लॉर्ड, आई डोंट केयर. वो आके बड़े खुशी खुशी. तो विष्णु भगवान कहते इतनी जल्दबाजी क्या है तुमको. कहते क्यों? अरे मेरे पास दो लिस्ट है, एक तुमने देखी चले गए, दूसरी वाली लिस्ट तो देखी नहीं. बोली दूसरी लिस्ट क्या है? कहते यू सॉ द लिस्ट जहां पे ये था कि गिव मी द लिस्ट ऑफ दोज हु लव गॉड मोस्ट. कहते हाँ. कहते एक और लिस्ट है मेरे पास, वो क्या है? दोज हुम गॉड लव्स मोस्ट. वहां हनुमान जी हैं. तो कहते हे भगवान आपकी लीला. सो ऑलवेज व्हेन वी आस्क और डू अ प्रेयर, unless the prayer is let thy will be done, which is the highest, but it takes time to be there. So just wait for a few moments and, you know, कुछ कहना है आपको भी. He will convey, he will communicate. Don't be in a hurry in relationship with the divine. वही तो असल चीज है, जॉय है. बाकी तो सब स्पिरिट बुझाए केवल प्यास, बाकी सब बकवास. Okay.